Okay, second part of the property, or flat number 25. Current state of play. So the walls, obviously we can't really do any finalising to the walls in this section or this apartment because we need to do the electrics and the plumbing. Same as downstairs, but we're not going to start that obviously until it's finished downstairs. So hopefully by next week or the week after latest, we'll be doing the electrics and plumbing. That'll be fun. Can't wait. These walls, I was agreed I've got to sand down the rest of them. You can see partly where I've done the grinding with a disc, so the plaster will take effect and be like the upper part. Obviously you've got to get glass blocks and the window up there to be fitted. Jen's ordered a window for this finally, so we're going to go for a portrait style window at the back. So the plumbing mission has started. I've just ripped out all the old pipes which were trailing around everywhere, and now I've still got to start challening out a long route for the waste pipes to go all the way down the hallway into the kitchen, and this is what we've already done today. So this weren't too bad because it was quite soft ground, but coming here it's hard concrete, so I need a better tool to do the rest of that. So a bit of aisle graft, lovely. Okay, here we are in the upstairs bathroom. Bit of a mission because floor tiles downstairs, we dug up the patio for all the plumbing and the electrics, and it turned out that we can't get these tiles, these are like 40 by 40 in this style, are discontinued. So we can only get 45s. So it's sort of gonna mess up the patio downstairs a little bit. So our mission, because we have some in the floor in the upstairs bathroom, is to try and get these up without breaking them. So I've got a few up so far, so I'm just going to show you what I'm doing to get them up. Oh. Fingers crossed I don't break another one. Okay. Ideally I should be wearing a mask, but I can't see because when you're breathing it just steams everything up. So I'd rather keep my fingers than take in a little bit of dust. Voila, another one. Result, unbroken. Just needs cleaning up a little bit, but that should be usable. Okay. Yeah, that's good. That's what we want. Happy days. So here we are. Successful mission. What we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11 tiles saved. So happy days. Got a few little rough cuts for corners and bits. So hopefully that will save the patio downstairs. Okay, little video update. As you can see, the front wall there has been resurfaced with concrete because it was not looking too good. So stripped it right back to the stones and built it out because it wasn't even flat, and pinned it in the corner as well. So they've done the same with the other side. Step back a bit. There we go, concreted right up to the top. They got to finish off because of the windows. Obviously they didn't want to redo it before the windows had been put in, so that's why they've left the top bit there. And again, they did pin the corner. We've got 3 big pins, or staples as they call it, in the corner. And that wall's now reasonably flat, ready for the next phase. And then we've got our hallway. Work has started. Little Jennifer's happy. Very good. So obviously it was like this, but worse as you go up. And now we have smooth surface. So they've done up to the top of the doors, because obviously we've got to redo the doors. Glass blocks are in. Not too sure if you guys have seen that. So smooth walls at the top. Can't really get a good idea of, well, it's not too bad, now a bit of a distance there, a bit smoother. So there we go. It was like that, and now it's like that.
Friday, 15th of January, about two and a half months through the build, and the builders are taking away all the towers they used to do the roof.
Obviously we've got glass blocks installed there, the roof. Front part's not too bad. Windows are on order, but we can't really install them until the walls, ceiling and floor are done, really, I guess. So, and we can't do the floor till the electrics are done. So I've started channeling out, get all the locations for the sockets. We just got to do the kitchen. That's got to be done up there as well to match where he left it. I don't know. Swerver. And then obviously more grinding. Grind these walls like that. So the dust literally goes everywhere when I do that. I haven't even touched this room yet. But we can see channeling for the electrics done now, because this would be bedroom 2, but we're going to have it as a front room. So if someone's bed goes there, there's sockets each side. More sockets there. Then our bedroom, looking grim at the moment. Sockets marked out. Obviously need to light the room up, get a window ordered for up there. Seems to be difficult in Spain to get a landscape window. Seems to be very difficult. So we'll get one of them ordered. We've just got to mark out the kitchen for the sockets. Obviously the wall's up, which makes a big difference. And then get another big window directly in front of us there, landscape style, no, portrait style for this one. In keeping with the bathroom window from the outside, I guess. And that'll be the chill out area over there. Some more sockets marked out, bit of channeling. Obviously a new back door needed soon as to light it up, and then the terrace, man cave. Haven't had a chance to really tackle that yet, but I'll be building a wall across the back to square it off. Got me line down there, so get the bricks. Well, I've got the bricks in the kitchen, you probably just see them. And then get some windows, glass blocks. I think are going to go on the front. It's marked out there, this sort of height. They have 4 glass blocks each side. Generate some light in there. And then, we got the grand job of painting all the back of it to smile it up somewhat. So that's where we are. Let's have a look downstairs.